Hello and welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese shaved ice, a refreshing dessert that's perfect for cooling off in the hot summer weather. Taiwanese shaved ice is also called Baobing in Mandarin or Tsua in Taiwanese. It is freshly shaved ice covered with a array of delicious chewy and fruity toppings. Today I'm going to show you the traditional way of making this popular dessert. So let's get started now. You will need the following ingredients. All the ingredients for the shaved ice can be prepared ahead of time. To get started, open a can of Aiyu and drain the liquid. Then cut the Aiyu randomly into smaller pieces. Aiyu is a plant-based jelly made from seeds of a type of a fig plant. It is tasteless with a chewy texture. Aiyu jelly can be prepared using the dry seed from the fruit or Aiyu powder. If you cannot find either, can of Aiyu will serve the purpose. Similarly, open a can of grass jelly. Drain the liquid and cut the grass jelly randomly into smaller pieces. Grass jelly is made from the Masona palustris plant, and it is sweet and aromatic with a thick, chewy texture like the plant. It is difficult to obtain these ingredients if you live outside of Taiwan, China, or Singapore, and getting the grass jelly out of a can that's purchased from the Asian market is perfectly fine. Next, rinse red beans under water. Make sure to soak with 3 times of water overnight. Cook for about 1.5 hours on low heat, and after that turn off heat and let it cool. Up next, rinse green beans under water. Soak with 3 times of water overnight. Cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. Then turn off heat and let it cool. Moving on, add 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup water in a clean pot. Then bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and cook until sugar is all dissolved. Next, cut taro into half, then cut into small cubes about 1.5 inches. In a pan, add taro. Make sure water level is above taro. Start to heat and bring to a boil. Lower the heat after it starts to boil and cook for about 15 minutes or until tender, but not until it starts falling apart. In a clean bowl, add hot water to oatmeal according to manufacturer instruction and let it cool. To prepare the boba, cook accordingly to instruction on package. I used canned pineapple cubes for convenience, but you can also use freshly cut pineapple. You can pre-make red bean, green bean, taro, and oatmeal and freeze them for later use. Do the same for liquid sugar. Boba doesn't store well, so you will need to make boba right before making the shaved ice. Besides those ingredients, you will also need a shaved ice machine that will produce light and fluffy snow-like ice. Use a small to medium-sized bowl and make sure to turn the bowl as you shave the ice. Then proceed to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of each ingredient. There is no particular order when you add those ingredients. You can add more or less per your liking. Those toppings I listed are traditional ingredients used for the shaved ice, but the choices are limitless. You can start out with this list and add more varieties later on. Add sugar and condensed milk according to your personal taste. Instead of condensed milk, you can add a scoop of your favorite ice cream as you wish. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video soon.